So, welcome friends. Myself Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department. Okay. Uh, so today study. We will study about the various codes. Some of them we have already studied, and one of them is 138271993 IS. This code covers in the subject of BTech Civil Engineering of a sixth semester for all universities. Okay. This code gives the information about improving earthquake resistance of earthen buildings, and proper guidelines are provided in this code. Okay. So in this code some guidelines are given for earthen buildings. Okay. What are earthen buildings? Earthen buildings are those buildings in which no stabilizers such as lime, any cement, any asphalt, etc. not used, strictly prohibited. Okay, means without using these material stabilizers, construction is being taken place. Okay, so the provision of these standards are applicable for seismic zone 3rd, 4th and 5th. So no special provisions are considered necessary in zone 2nd. It already covered in all those zones. Okay, so considering inherently weak against water, as the earthen is used, so we can understand that these are not enough strength to withstand in water. Okay, and earthen buildings should be preferably be avoided in flood prone, okay, high rainfall areas and seismic zone 4 and 5. So these are not comfortable to construct in this area, this type of earthen building. Okay, so let's see which type of recommendation are given for this type of earthen building. So first recommendation is that it should be light in weight. Okay, and single storied is preferable, and of simple rectangular plan. It is of simple rectangular plan. Okay, qualitative tests for the suitability of soil have been suggested. So because all structures is based on the quality of soil, so first of all, before constructing any building, we have been suggested that soil have been tested properly to withstand the structure load, or to avoid or to protect from shear failure during earthquake. Okay.